Good evening to all of you. I'm talking to all of you today to invite you for the workshop that we're organizing on Saturday, which is the 7th of August, 4 to 7 p.m., a capsule on Supreme Court practice and procedure. And of course, we're going to deal with tips on how to crack the advocate on record exam. A one-of-a-kind workshop. We're going to be discussing jurisdictions of all kinds. We're going to be talking about original, appellate, review, curatives, a plethora of topics to be discussed. And we'll try and take you through all the contentious issues which also come in question in the advocate on record exam with tips on how to actually crack the 4 papers. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to be talking to you about these subjects because I knew for sure that we didn't have this kind of exposure during law school. So for anyone who's looking at cracking the AoR exam, for anyone who's also interested in enhancement of their subject knowledge in areas of academic specialization, this is the workshop for you. It's in collaboration with WizLaw, and we come out with this workshop. You can just register, log on to www.wizlawacademy.com and you can just register. And yes, I hope to see all of you this Saturday at 4 p.m. The spots are still there, so quickly hurry, register.